Anyways, I'm just gonna get a closer look at this fan and you're gonna see what could have went wrong. You can see its pieces. This is badly corroded and tarnished. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, tag. That's pretty cool. Lots.
I want to get inside the mind, if I can, of a professional cricketer. That
Yeah.
one-on-one dynamic with England bowler Ben
The
Stokes.
barriers.
Talk about the psychology, the intense psychology, the
Stuck
war
up.
of minds that's going on at that moment.
So I guess I just need a new fan then. These blades are also really warped, as you can see. So, yeah. I would say they need to get an outer fan, but actually in one of the rooms, there's another room that I went down and I saw this Westinghouse ceiling fan there. I'm wondering if that is newer. It is also antique brass, and I'm guessing it replaced a Hunter like this. And it didn't seem tarnished at all. It seemed new, so it's probably working. Anyways, I hope this fan gets either restored or replaced sometime soon. Anyways, I have it like sponsoring. And anyways, this is for this sake, I'm gonna show it from a distance. Here we go. There it is. There are these air conditioners as well. There are these air conditioners as well, which I'm gonna make videos of as well. Anyways, I have it back for watching.